Yep, go on then.
Oh,
Hey!
bloody hell.
Turn the side lights off then.
Jeez.
How'd you just get like that?
Oh.
Oh. You may be asking what we're doing tonight. The snow is falling. It's about -3. It's a Saturday night. We're in the barn. Barn eater, garage eater, giving us a bit of warmth. And Aaron, snow-covered M140. What are we doing, Aaron?
We are replacing the daylight running lights from white to yellow.
Has this got DRLs as standard then?
Yes. Yeah.
So the only thing you're doing is changing them from white to yellow?
Basically just changing the colour.
And how easy is it?
It's an absolute nightmare. We've got to take the wheel off, take the bumper off, take the headlight out, replace the modules, which I've got here.
Right.
Swap those over. There's 4 in each head, 2 in each headlight.
And where do they go? In the back of the headlight unit somewhere?
Yeah, in
control unit?
Yeah, in a control unit.
And how much are they?
£19 off AliExpress.
What, for all 4?
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Are they going to work? I don't know.
AliExpress?
AliExpress.
Is this Chinese knockoff?
Chinese knockoff.
So you're going to change them from white to yellow?
Yellow.
Sometimes words escape me. This is a close-up of the... they're just PCBs, aren't they? Printed circuit boards.
Yeah.
So, and there's... Yeah, there's 2 in each packet.
Okay.
So Aaron, why are all your lights on these handles? Because I'm sure they never used to be, did they?
No. So, basically, I used a software called BMW Code.
Right.
And what you can do is you can go into the software and you can change loads of things in the car. For instance, I turned off the seatbelt bleepers.
Yeah.
So if you're like moving the car, reversing, it's not bing, bing, bing in your ear.
Yeah, okay. So do these lights stay on all the time?
Until you lock the car, yeah.
Right,
But
okay.
if you're driving, it won't.
Yeah, right, okay.
But if you're reversing, they're on.
Yeah, got you.
And it helps you see curbs and stuff like that. It's a pretty good mod.
Yeah, okay, cool. Archie's just arrived to help. What's the weather like, Archie?
First things first, we've got 8mm bolts all holding in the arch lining. Whip the arch lining out. We can get to 2 bolts up here. Then we've got a row of bolts under the front and along the front strip. Take them all out, lift the bumper forward, and we can access the headlight.
Yeah.
So I've just stripped these bolts off the front.
Yeah.
T30s.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. And then obviously, yeah, we'll pull the arch line in.
Yeah.
There's a row of bolts, I think there's 8
Underneath.
or 10 underneath. We'll take those off. And then there's a few further back.
Okay.
Pull the bumper.
And
then we can access the headlights.
Yeah. Got you. Cool. Big shout out. If you ever want one, get invest in one. Things like this, these garage heaters, fabulous, petrol powered, and they just make working in barns, garages and stuff so much more easy and bearable in these cold conditions.
Is that all of them out? Yes.
So that's the screws all out. Simon's just pulling out the arch liner. This is where I find out I've left one screw in. No, there is 11. There we go. Just pulling it all out. There you go.
Whoa.
That's the arch liner. Right.
And then there's there's just a couple bolts up here which join the bumper to the wheel arch, and they're like back on yourself. We just took one out. There's one more just up in here. It is. It's real awkward to get to. And then we're at this bolt. There's a bolt back there, one here, and then we're all out the front there. That's to remove the headlight, that is.
So we have had a couple of problems. Was it one or two?
Well, we've had
bolts?
no problems, no issues round here. There was just a couple bolts under the splitter. Who decides to put a bolt under a splitter? Stupid. And Luke, you rounded the one off on the left.
Oh.
I know you're going to watch this. Right, here we go then. Big moment.
Find out we've still got a flipping bolt in.
Flipping out, come on.
There we go. Is it off?
Oh, it's trapped.
Ho, 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 ho. There you go. We're doing M2 swap.
Watch the bonnet. Oh. This way you can see it was a Cat S.
And there you go, boys. We have undone 2 bolts at the back of the headlight. One was an absolute nightmare. And we've just undone this one here. We've got one remaining, and we're going to pull it forward, disconnect the loom from the back of the headlight, and then we can change the module.
Okay.
I'm stuck here.
Hang on, it's coming.
Force it.
Just, yeah, force it. Force it. Whoa-hey!
Whoa-hey!
Look at the size of that, isn't it? It's massive, isn't it?
Thank you, boys. Oh, shit, what have I done now? Oh, boys. I'm on here flathead. How do I get that out then?
Just pinch them. That's it, and wiggle it. There you go. There we go.
There we go. And there, we got the 2 modules inside. Now, I don't know if these are sided. I think they are.
Just one at a time.
I think they are. A little loom on there.
Okay. That's that. And looks like you're going to have to take that and that off, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I thought you said this was a 30-second job once you got in here.
Yeah.
30 minutes.
Well, that looks
Maybe
different.
it's not.
Shit.
Aaron's doing a bit of point of view GoPro footage for his own channel, Flat Shift, if you want to give it a follow.
Follow me. I need the subscribers, man.
Yeah, what are you on now?
70,000. I wish.
Hey, we all have to start somewhere. It's a little bit tricky, but what else have we got to do on a Saturday night? What is it? A torque? T what?
Or
T something? Can't see because of the rust.
T10.
T10.
Is,
Okay, is that fully on?
I think so.
Drop that back in. Are you going to just do these up loosely?
Yeah.
We'll keep everything loose for the time being. We'll do it on the other second one here, and then we'll check the headlight assembly back to the car, plug it in, leave it all loose, and then do a quick test. There you go, that's it. Okay, so we've rested it in loose. Yeah?
Yeah.
Doesn't fall out. And Aaron's just going to switch the lights on and see if the baby works.
Come on now, hopefully.
Here we go.
Here we go. The big moment. Flipping, hang on.
What we doing now?
Yeah.
I'm sitting on the truck.
Am I that way out?
What do you mean? I don't fucking see it.
No,
stop
I need to get both
Stop
floats
swearing.
in.
Oh,
Oh,
stop
get out of the way,
swearing,
man.
Ultra.
For flipping.
Then I'll...
You
No,
can sit out.
Archie, watch out.
What do you mean? I'm getting stuck here.
Just go right over there
No,
then.
we can't see.
Archie.
Out of the way.
Right.
Hold on,
Here we go
wait.
then, boys.
Yeah, go on then.
Oh,
Hey!
bloody hell.
Turn the side lights off then.
Jeez.
How'd you just get like that?
Oh.
Oh.
That is looking nasty.
Oh.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Does that look good or does that look good? Oh. You're like...
So there we go. We've got one side working. We'll just now put that one back in. We'll repeat it on the near side headlight and then put everything back in reverse. And there you go. Big thanks to Aaron that did the work. Aaron, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, thumbs up. Any comments, drop below. Subscribe. See you next week. Thanks for watching. Fast and fun.